And start piling up the pool. You gotta work from 9 to 5 and 5 to 9 again. It keeps on coming down the pipe and it never seems to end. Oh, when you're swirl round the pole, shot through a hole, push through a pole, spun out of control, sprung from a sprout, spilled out a spout. From tank to tank, and nothing ever seems to go back from whence it stands. Just like a subway station, but the only mode of transportation comes in the form of flotation, and it's no vacation. Everything was the same. You're just another number, and number 2 is your name.
Stench will guide you to your demise, to your demise.
Silky threads feel like a snuggle, but getting loose is a struggle.
two fangs will pierce you. The end will be fast, but not painless. One last gasp as you fade to crystalline dreams. Crystalline littered with bones, these threads will astound you. Try to get past my sticky fibers, knowing your flesh is my heart's desire. Feasting on you, feasting on you, feeling a tug on gossamer wings. I see you and you see me. The fear you feel is all I need. Swallow your soul. Swallow your soul.
Silky threads feel like a snuggle, but getting loose is a struggle. I've wrapped you up like a mummy. Now on your elbows, stuck in your blood, snacking on your toes.
It's not the end, it's only the beginning. Once you're inside, you'll feel the surge, your blood into mine. Our marrows will merge, tasting your